Hi friends, it's Nani here. Welcome back to my channel. We're harvesting potatoes. I don't know if we're gonna get anything. So I had some potatoes that I had in my kitchen, and they were growing, they were sprouting. So I just decided to put them in here and see what happens. So guys, we did this in February and now we are in June. We're starting in June. So let's see what happens. So they said when it's like this, it's ready for harvest. So I don't know if we're gonna get anything, guys. So let's do this together. Let's see. So, my gosh, let's see. So guys, I am excited. Let's see what's going to happen. I don't know. Oh, there's one. Look at this, guys. We got one. Let's see. So we got one. You want to dig it? Come over here. Some baby ones. So guys, so we're getting some. I got a little one. There's another one here. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, I didn't expect to get all this. Oh my gosh, look at these. This is so much fun, guys. Oh my gosh. Harvesting potatoes is a lot of fun. Look. This is a nice big one. Yeah, that's a sprouting one. That's it. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at potatoes. I don't know, maybe we should have left it longer, but they were drying up already, so I don't know. We should harvest when it's...
Potato, French fries.
So guys, look at all this.
Aloo.
So guys, he's just being funny. So our potato harvest has been a success and we did get quite a bit. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care now. Bye bye.